In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate adding a date to an item name in Monday.com. We'll go through the steps to set up an automation that will save you time and ensure your items are always up to date. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to log in to Monday.com and navigate to the board where you want to automate the item names. This is where we'll be setting up the integration, so make sure you're on the correct board. Once you're on your desired board, the next step is to add a date column. To do this, click on the plus add column button. A range of options will appear, and you should select the date column option. You can name this column appropriately based on its use. Something like due date or event date might suit your needs. If necessary, you can set a default date for all new items, but feel free to leave it blank if you would prefer to input dates manually later on. Now let's set up the automation. Locate and click on the Automate button, which you'll find at the top right corner of your board. This action opens the Automation Center where you can browse existing automations. However, for our specific task, you'll want to click on Create Custom Automation. This allows you to tailor the automation to your specific needs. With the Custom Automation Creator open, you must select a trigger for your automation. Various triggers are available, including when an item is created, when a specific date arrives, or when a status changes. For our purpose of adding a date to the item name, when date arrives is a suitable trigger if you aim to update names automatically on specific dates. After choosing a trigger, it's time to set the action. Here, select Change Item Name as the action you want to automate. In the action field, you'll have the opportunity to use dynamic values. These are essential as they'll pull information directly from your board. Make sure to include the current item name and the value from the date column. Structure it like this: item name, date. This setup means the item name will automatically update to include the date whenever the trigger condition is met. To ensure your new automation works as intended, create a test item that includes a date. Then, watch for when the trigger occurs. If set up correctly, you should see the item name automatically update with the specified date. Finally, don't forget to save and activate your automation. This step is as simple as clicking Create Automation or Save, depending on what appears in your interface. With everything saved, your automation is live and will run whenever the conditions you set are met, making your workflow more efficient and your tasks seamlessly up to date. Thanks for following along. I hope this guide to automating date additions in Monday.com helps streamline your project management tasks.